Indianapolis is becoming a tech hub, and really the corridor from Lafayette to Indianapolis is getting recognized as a tech hub, and personally, I think this is an incredible opportunity for our area to become that global center in ag tech, because the foundation is really being built for that to occur. Intelinair is a data analytics company specifically focused in agriculture, and what we do is we take imagery data. It could come from drones, fixed wing, satellite. We're also taking in weather data, soil information, topography, and we have machine learned patterns that indicate that there's some type of agronomic issue in the field. The farmer will download our app, and on their phone, or it could be their tablet, we're able to show them throughout the season if they have an issue going on in their field, what it is, and where.
Co-Alliance is a farmer-owned cooperative here in Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan, and so we service our local farmer owners across these 3 states, and our motto is to lead with our people and our technology. So when we learned about Intelinair and we saw the value that it brings to the market, we knew we had to get behind it. We knew we had to come out and vet it and see how it truly works on our acres. And I think the response has been really positive here this year. I think this has been something that there's a lot of hope as we move into the future that this will help us revolutionize how we scout and treat and more diagnostically look at our acres.
All areas, innovation is driving the way that we are going to be able to operate in the future. We had the opportunity to look at Ag MRI as a technology to use on our farm. And across the seed corn acres and the labor intensiveness that we have for seed corn in the field scouting, this was a technology that we could use to get consistent, reliable aerial imagery that is scalable for us across all of our acres, down to a 2-centimeter level.
Yeah, we're really pleased to be in Indianapolis. It's close to our market. It does have the talent that we're looking for. Agriculture obviously has a purpose here of feeding a growing world, and we play a part in that. So I think I can say with confidence that that's a big driver for our employees working here. They feel that purpose and take a lot of pride in being part of that.